sleep. If you use a rescue...
But we're running a close second. Stay informed with Weather Center all day today and every day.
In the next half hour, Weather Center AM, a comprehensive national forecast. At 40 after, Weather Center AM continues with highway and air travel conditions. Then the weekend outlook. And at 50 after, Storm Watch. But right now, it's your local forecast on the Weather Channel.
Facing more unsettled weather in parts of the Mid-Atlantic region this morning from a system that ravaged parts of the Deep South yesterday with deadly severe storms. Good morning and welcome to Weather Center. I'm Will Annan.
And I'm Marshall Cease. The region's getting rain and thunderstorms, but severe weather is unlikely. That's good news. We had a lot of severe weather yesterday in the southeast, but we don't have it today. Good news. Let's take a look at it right now. The radar and the satellite pictures. I tell you, I'm going to fire Will. Weather Will's there working the machinery for us. Out here to the west, we've got some rain in the valley areas. We've got some snow in the mountains. Out here in the central plains, beautiful day today, but there's what's left of the severe weather from yesterday. In the southeastern part of the country, that's where the severe weather was yesterday. That's going to be heading off the coast today, out of the Tidewater, which is getting the heaviest rain right now. Richmond got some heavy rain earlier today. Hampton area, Oceana, Norfolk, all getting heavy rain. Washington, D.C., Baltimore, even have delays at the airports here. We'll have more on that on travel-wise coming up in just a minute. And I think this hour will... Well, one of us is going to give you an idea of where the biggest trouble spots are on the highways there and if you're going to be flying. But we expect an excess of an inch of rain here in the Mid-Atlantic. You can see that heavy rain as it moves to the east of Baltimore and Washington right now. Another area right over Salisbury of very heavy rain. Some torrential downpours. Now this system is going to be moving off the coast pretty rapidly today, but still in all, you're going to see some heavy rain in short heavy bursts of rain, let's say. Now south of Pittsburgh, got some rain headed through Clarksburg and Parkersburg, West Virginia, but it's clearing out. There's a lot of clouds in its wake, and you get some wet roads as far north as Uniontown and Canonsburg, Pennsylvania, toward Johnstown and Altoona, but the rain is now headed south and it's very, very light. So your outdoor activity is going to be in pretty good shape, even in Charleston, West Virginia, and Cincinnati, Lexington, London, Kentucky, where it was raining earlier this morning. This system is going to be headed to the east, and as surface low develops later this afternoon, do expect some more heavy bursts of rain before the entire system exits the region. And behind it, we're going to see some colder air moving in, and it's going to be 47 degrees right now in Philadelphia. We'll get into the lower 50s today, and that's about seasonable, a little cooler than seasonable. In Pittsburgh's 41 degrees right now. Further to the south, Atlanta's at 51. It's going to be a little cooler than normal in the southeast today. Jacksonville, 73 degrees. And with the front moving off the coast, it's going to be a windy day. And with this system just off the coast of the Carolinas and Virginia, we've got some water spouts that have been developing, so special marine advisories have also been issued. Will?
You're only going to be looking at some scattered showers and some mountain snow today from the system moving through the far west, but tomorrow that system will become better organized and bring heavier rain to parts of southern California. I'll show you what's going on right now. Here's a look at the far west, and there's that gremlin again. But anyway, we'll show you what's going on throughout the far west very quickly, and we can go to this image and show you that this is going to be the storm that's going to be intensifying during the next 24 hours and drop down towards the southeast. So if you live around most of Southern California tomorrow, Los Angeles, Burbank, and also Riverside, the rain is on the way, and it could be locally heavy as well. This morning we're looking at a few patches of light rainfall right around the Bay Area, getting up towards Chico, but this is going to be the more definite storm system, the more organized one tomorrow that begins to drop down the coast into Southern California. Let's show you what's going on right now throughout the west. Yesterday, throughout much of the Plain States, we saw strong northerly winds behind our East Coast storm. Well, today we're looking at strong southerly winds ahead of this trough low pressure, which is producing a little bit of rainfall this morning, especially in Northern California. Reno right now 25 degrees, San Francisco's at 49, and for the folks up there in Seattle, 44. Good morning to you. Portland 45, Medford 42 degrees. Phoenix stands at 50. Let's show you what's going on. We go right to Central California, Sacramento up towards Chico. This is the Bay Area. You can see those widely scattered showers at the present time, and it looks like it's a slow drift now up towards the north. Farther eastward, let's see what's going on around Salt Lake City, Utah, where we're looking at some light rainfall this morning. Temperatures in the mid to upper 40s, and some of that precipitation reaching the southeastern corner of Idaho as of the present time. No big rain or snows expected today. Let's take a look at the Midwest. Things are fine right now for Detroit. It's breezy there. Same thing for Milwaukee, Madison, Chicago, and Springfield, Illinois, and Springfield, Missouri. And that real dense fog around the extreme southeastern corner of South Dakota to around Omaha, Nebraska, now beginning to lift. Temperatures, though, will be on the cool side. Look at Titletown, Green Bay, Wisconsin, 35 degrees. Chicagoland at 42. Des Moines, Iowa is at 34 degrees. And Kansas City and St. Louis both coming in this hour at 41. We'll check on your forecast for the upcoming 24-hour period. I'll show you what's going to be happening throughout the eastern part of the nation. This is going to be really the area that's going to be looking at the windy and drabby weather throughout the mid-Atlantic today, with the rain still coming down heavily now between Washington and Baltimore.